This surgical pearl is entitled One Portal Pinning Slap Repair. Even when treating slap tears with biceps tenodesis, there are scenarios where the superior labrum may also need to be repaired. Here we see the slap tear with significant excursion in a case where the paralabral cyst was already decompressed with a shaver and the biceps was tenotomized. Slap repair was planned. Instead of creating a second anterior portal with a cannula, we use the one portal technique to fix the slap tear. The suture lasso is passed through the superior labrum at the biceps insertion. The fiber stick is advanced. Then the scope is used to pin the fiber stick and the suture lasso is removed. Here we see the scope advancing towards the suture, right where it comes out of the suture lasso. You can see that the scope is now pinned onto the suture and the suture lasso is being removed. Once the suture lasso is removed, a grasper is used to grasp the tail of the fiber stick. And then the fiber stick is inserted into the push lock anchor. Next, a drill hole is made. Again, you can see the significant excursion of the superior labrum. Once a drill hole is made, the anchor is inserted, and we take care not to overtension the superior labrum, as the goal here is not to tighten the superior labrum, but just to stabilize it. Consider a one portal pinning technique when you have a very unstable slap tear in the setting of a vertical MGHL, a Buford complex, or anterosuperior labral foramen. Thank you.